In this video, I'm going to show you how to make $1,000, $8,000, $20,000, $50,000, and so on and so forth. All these people that are in Africa, $300 just by storytelling. Storytelling, I mean telling someone stories. And if you are not good in saying stories, and you can be like them, sure, I'll show you now. See, someone made $50,000. Yeah, yeah, noise. Yeah, and it makes $35 per hour. You too can do the same thing as well. So the first step, you join this app. You say you're a freelancer. You register. After you have registered, first step, listen to me closely. Listen to me closely. Is maybe you like it, but you don't have any idea of what story to tell someone. Maybe someone say, write me a story. I want to use it for my YouTube videos. I want to use it for anything, or for my script, or anything, for my articles, for my Pinterest, for my Instagram, for my children, or for my school. Maybe I'm a teacher. I want to tell somebody. They will pay you any amount. They will pay you, and they'll pay you. Just trust me, bro. They'll pay you. So the step is, you go to you know the vibes we bring. You know what I want to say. Chat GPT. If you don't know what Chat GPT is, that means you're going to be broke forever. You tell Chat GPT, write me a story as a person. Write me a story as a person about a rich man. Let's say a rich man. No, let's say a poor man that became a trillionaire in dollars. Let's see what will bring out. Yeah, you see? Once upon a time, in the bustling city of Metropolis, there lived a man named Jack Turner. Did you see that? Jack had always believed in power of dreams despite the circumstances. That evening, as he was watching the news, lottery numbers, did you damn, did you see what he talk about the lottery, how the person won the lottery and became rich? I'm likely to use these scripts, bro. It's crazy. I'll read it later. So you can use this, copy it, you paste it to the person, copy it, guys. When the person send, then you go to Upwork, you give the person the thing is demanding for. They'll pay you $20 or $15 or $35, whatever the amount is. Then you're good to go. You go. Then the next one come and meet you. You go to you meet ChatGPT. Then that's it. People that meet you, they don't know that ChatGPT exists. It's only you that know. So this strategy is a cool strategy. But if you want another strategy to make thousands and millions of dollars online, go to the link in my description. As for me, I'm out. TMM.